So we've got potatoes, we've got broccoli, I've got a couple of other veg in there you can add in. We've got a nice tomato and cream sauce, garlic, cumin, paprika. Chuck that in the oven, absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So at the back row, we've got potatoes, broccoli, and a can of tomatoes. When I say a can of tomatoes, I mean a kind of regular sized tin, 400 ml. That was a whole plum tomato. What I've done is I just crushed that up roughly with my hand. Broccoli, about 4 cups there, about 4 cups of potatoes. Now, my potatoes are nice and chunky, peeled them, and then I just boiled them a little bit. Now, they're still quite hard. You know, in fact, they're very hard, but they just went for like, 3 or 4 minutes, just to give me a little head start. 1 cup of onion, 2 types of cheese here, there's a cup each here, of Parmesan and cheddar, 250 ml of cream. Now, I always get lots of questions about the cream I use. This is a thick cooking cream, but it will make no difference what cream you use. If you use a kind of single, what we call in the UK a single, like a runny, thin cream or a thick cream, it's fine. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a large tablespoon, maybe a heaped one there, of chopped garlic, and then I'm just adding in a couple of other bits of veg, like a cup of cauliflower and a cup of celery. Let's get moving. So let's get started. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you want. The heat is on above medium. I've just put the heat on. So 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, which I've cut quite chunky, and it's optional, to be honest. 1 tablespoon, or did I say slightly heaped tablespoon of garlic. Then we're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper, and we're going to go just for like 3 minutes or so. Fabulous. Okay, let's get in that little bit of cauliflower. Now look, if you want, get some carrots in here, get some mushrooms in here, get some zucchini in here, just to bulk it out a little bit and give it a little bit more vitamins, or vitamins as many of you say. We're now going to add in the paprika and the cumin. And again, this is the route that I'm going. If you want, change the spices that you want in there. You could just maybe put some rosemary, thyme, bit of curry powder, bit of chili powder. You can choose that, can't you? Now we're going to grab those potatoes, which, like I say, are... Let me just show you. Like, I can't break it, Look, there you go. We're going to throw these around for 4 minutes. Keep it moving now because we've got the spices in. Beautiful. Let's get that 1 can of tomatoes. Like I said, it was a plum tomato whole, which I just crushed up with my hand a little bit. And again, let's go for another 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. So as I do this little zoom shot, it's a good time for me to suggest to you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. Look at that, really good. Okay, let's get our other star of the show, the partner in this double feature, the broccoli. And again, let's go for 4 minutes, stirring fairly often. So this is coming together beautifully. Okay, we're now going to add the cream. 250 ml of cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cooking cream. It won't make no difference if you use thick or thin. Really won't. Let's put a little bit of Parmesan in there. I'm going to hold the rest back for the top. And the same little bit of cheddar, just a tiny amount in there. Turn the heat off. Give this a mix for a couple of minutes, and then this is beautiful and ready to go. Okay, so the next step is to get your oven on. Now get your oven on full blast, maximum heat. What we're doing here is just bringing this together. We've cooked everything, haven't we? We're just bringing it together in the oven for a few minutes. You can see that I've got a glass container. You can use glass, ceramic, or metal, as long as it can go in the oven. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get that cheddar and the Parmesan on the top. I'm going to add a little bit of paprika sprinkled just as a signature, and that's going to go into a preheated, don't put this in a cold oven, a nice hot oven. It's going to go in my oven for about 9 to 10 minutes, I estimate. So yeah, that was about 9 minutes in my oven. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Really beautiful potato and broccoli, creamy, bake, cheesy thingy-me-job. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.